Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Contacts while signed into the exact Google account that holds the entries you need. Click the app's grid in Gmail or go to Contacts. Google.com. This ensures you land in the right account context. Once done, make sure any sign-in prompts complete and that browser pop-ups aren't blocked, because Google may need to verify access. Doing this now saves time later and prevents viewing the wrong contact list, so you can immediately proceed to locate, filter, and manage contacts. Now focus on finding specific contacts. Type a name, email, or phone number into the search bar so you see matches instantly. Once you have results, apply filters like labels, starred, or recently added to narrow the list. This helps when many entries share similar names. Also check the left menu for categories such as contacts versus frequently contacted or directory to separate personal versus organization entries. Make sure to open a contact to confirm details before editing so you avoid accidental changes. To finish, click any contact to view full details and use the action buttons to call, message, or edit fields. This is where you update numbers or add labels. If you need a backup, choose More Than Export and pick CSV or vCard so other apps can import your list. If contacts are missing, make sure you're in the correct account, verify device sync settings, and look in trash for recently deleted entries. Restoring their fixes most problems quickly, and sync often resolves discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.